Okay, I just used up some of my time. Can you all hear me okay?
Yeah.
All right, great. As you heard, excuse me, as you heard, I'm the Dean of Engineering. And, you know, what we do is real simple. We develop innovative talent, engineers that can lead innovation, and we also spin out ideas, ideas that can form the basis of new companies. And that's how we make our contribution to innovation. We're real big this year. We just grew to 4,000 students, and that's the largest we've ever been. An indication of economic times. People use that as a time to basically invest their time in developing themselves so they be competitive. And then we also have a lot of R&D. We have about a $30 million R&D program. We are a national leader in energy and clean tech. In some aspects of energy, we're international leaders, such as nuclear and wave. And we've been very successful at spinning companies out of those research results. In fact, you could say that OSU has created a culture that basically takes research results and drives it through a process towards commercialization. In the past 4 years, we've spun out 11 companies. First in that sequence is Strands, which I know has a booth out on the floor. One of the later ones is Nanobits, which I know also will have a presence out on the floor. Just a couple of examples there. 4 of those 11 companies are in energy. NuScale Power, which is located in downtown Corvallis, is a 45 megawatt nuclear power plant. They're in the design phase, and they expect to ultimately manufacture and sell this device worldwide. Another example of an energy company is MTech. Are they on the floor? No, okay. And MTech began in biodiesel, and now they're looking at other opportunities as well. You'll hear about Nanobits on the floor. We also spun out a solar energy company, and that's one that slipped away from Corvallis. They needed access to talent in the Portland area, so they're located in Tualatin. We have a company that's early stage, and Skip may mention, is very, very close to a major venture investment in Home Dialysis Plus. And Misty and I just had a conversation about this, but the basic idea is to have a portable dialysis machine so patients can do dialysis on their terms rather than going to a clinic or a hospital and being subjected to a pretty traumatic experience. Since we launched that idea, I've had calls from all over the world and emails from patients, friends of patients, relatives of patients, and doctors all asking when this is going to be on the market. So there's a real latent demand for that idea. So there's a medical device, as you heard, software companies as well, such as Strands. And so we've learned how to do this, and just in the past few years, to the point that in terms of colleges of engineering around the U.S., we're one of the top performing in taking research results and injecting that into new companies, and it's happening right here in Corvallis. So again, we develop talent, we do research that results in ideas that are practical and are being applied. And the great thing about downturns is that's the time to break away, to prepare to break away. And the university and the College of Engineering are working on developing the talent and the ideas that will help this economy break away when it's time.